Hello, this is DJ Shachel with another AMPS video recording tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to be covering databases, how to create them, how to work with them, how to manage them. So, to do that we're going to have to go to the Track Manager, click on Tools, click on Database Tools, click on Database Manager. Close AMPS and open the Database Manager. Yes. Then here, as you can see, we have the active library database, and we have previous databases that I've created. For this one, we're going to go ahead and create a new database, create new library. We're going to call this Mobile DJ Library. Click on Save. My library is set. We're going to go ahead and launch AMPS. We're going to be using the Pro version. Click on the Continue. Continue. Then here, as you can see, there is no database. I'm going to minimize this so you can see what we're doing. So within here, again, you can go to Track Manager, Music Scan Wizard, Browse Music, My Music, 1960s, Scan, Next. Adding music right now. So now we have music, 99 tracks from that folder. We have this database right here. We can create another database by going to the Tools, Database, Database Manager. Again, close AMPS and open the new database. As you can see, my database, the old one is right there. We can create a database for every collection of music that we have. To select the new one, we simply click on a new one, go new one, select, launch AMPS, and it will launch AMPS with the new database that we have selected. I'm going to resize this to visible area and see what's going on. In this database, as you can see, loading 7,841 tracks. You can go to Track Manager, go rock, country, R&B, everything. We also have ways of managing the databases. To manage the database, you can, or to delete a database, you can go to File, click on Exit, quit the program. From Windows, go to Windows Explorer. Go ahead and bring that out here. From Windows Explorer, you can click on the C drive, AMPS, Databases, AMPS 4, and right here is where you have all of the databases. If you delete all of the existing databases and you close this, then AMPS will no longer have a database. You can click on AMPS and it will tell you no database has been found. Would you like to create a new one? Absolutely. Click on OK. My library, click Save, only have one library. So, you select this, launch AMPS, continue, and now we're back in here. What we want to do is we want to create a library. Let me minimize this. What we want to do is create a database for every event that we have, so that every event would have its own library. I'm going to go ahead and close this up, click Yes, open up Windows Explorer, go to AMPS, Databases. That's the new one that we created. We're going to delete that one. We're going to go into the old one. These are the previous databases that I've created. I'm going to copy that, go back in here. It's going to take a little while. About for 30 seconds. And while this is loading, we're going to go ahead and load up AMPS. So now we have all of these databases back in here. To create a new library, you click on Edit, Create New Library, My Library. You select the template that you want. We have either the blank, Mobile DJ, which has 10, the Broadcast DJ, which has 11 fields. In this case, we're going to create a mobile DJ database. We're going to call this tutorial True. Click on Save. Now we have the tutorial 2 selected. We can select other databases, select, and it will show you the active library database. We're going to go ahead and click on tutorial, select that as the active library database, and launch AMPS. Meanwhile, this has finished, and as you can see, the new library right here, tutorial 2, is now right there. So let's go ahead and go to AMPS. We're going to go on AMPS Pro, continue. Going to resize it so you can see what we're doing. Close out Windows Explorer. Now we have a clean new database. So this concludes the database tutorial. See you in the next one.